Welcome all. Now we are going to see about the some topics in dye chemistry. One is the pigments and the fluorescent brightening agent and the applications of dyes. So first we are going to see about the pigments. So pigments, the colored substances which is insoluble in water and other solvents is called as the pigments. Then requirements. What are the requirements of the pigment? Fastness to light, then fastness to heat, insolubility in solvents as well as the water, and fastness of acid and alkalis. Then what is the difference between the dye and the pigment? If the dye means it is soluble in medium, in any other medium, but in the pigment which is insoluble in the medium, and pigments used in the suspensions, and dye is applied in solution or dispersions. In pigment, size is important, and in dye chemical composition is important, and pigments used for printing varnishes, and dye is used for the textile material. And pigments, an example is indigo, copper phthalocyanine. An example for dye is tetrazine and alizarin. Then classification of the pigments. There are the two types of the classification: organic and inorganic pigments. Organic pigments are based on the carbon ring chains only. For example, disperse yellow. And inorganic pigments contains the metal oxides. In the fast grain wool, there is a iron metal is present of the central metal atom. In disperse yellow, there is the combination of majority of carbon atom along with the nitrogen and oxygen atom. The next topic is fluorescent brightening agent. There are the three methods to use the fluorescent brightening agent. First one is the chemical bleaching agent, that is the sodium hypochlorite, the bleaching powder we can use in the first method. In the second method, we are add some amount of the blue coloring matter like ujala and washing soap, etc., liquid soaps, etc. In the third method, a colorless compound absorb the UV region in the shorter wavelength and it can emit at the longer wavelength than the visible region. It produces the whitening effect. So there are the three methods in the fluorescent brightening agent. The next topic is the application of some dyes. In where are the in what are the fields the dye is used? The first field is the medicine. In medicine, it was discovered by Eldridge. For example, methylene blue is used in the pathology department, then and also used as the antibacterial and chemotherapeutic agent. Mercurochrome and acryflavine is used as the antiseptics in medicine, and crystal violet, malachite green, methyl violet are used as the bactericides. In chemical analysis, the dye is used as the most of the indicators like pH indicator, oxidation reduction indicator, absorption and precipitant indicators. In pH indicator, phenolphthalein, methyl orange and methyl red. Then oxidation reduction indicators, methylene blue and indigo are used. Then absorption indicator, dichlorofluorescein and eosine. Precipitant indicators, naphtha yellow, orange 4 and saffron. In cosmetics, we can use nail polish, lipstick and hair dye. Eosin and dispersed in oil is used in the nail polish, and tetrabromofluorescein used in the lipstick. Melanine and para-amino diphenyl sulfonic acid used in the hair dye. And the laser rhodamin 6G is used for the laces. In food and beverages, நிறைய coloring agents. Most of the coloring agents of the dye, orange, tartrazine, amaranath, erythrocin, naphthol yellow, crystal red, phosphor D. These are the dyes used in the food and beverages for the coloring material. Thank you for listening.